Hi, my name is Wadah Al-Yassiri. I'm the project manager for the new City Hall project. Since the last update a few months ago, the design team and construction team have kept pushing hard with the construction activities in all aspects and as scheduled. We are all working very hard to meet the deadlines and expectations. Thus far, the project remains on track and is scheduled to be completed sometime in May 2018. We have managed to meet all major project milestones and we are approaching 80% overall project completion. Coordination with all utilities and other city departments is still ongoing to ensure smooth transitions for all related services between the old and the new City Hall and 400 City Hall Square East. I would like to gently remind the public and the staff alike that all construction sites have potential hazards. Therefore, we should all exercise caution around the site and remember to always follow the construction signage. It is inevitable that construction will cause some inconvenience. However, every effort will be made to minimize this and communicate them in advance. Finally, if you would like more information about the project, please visit the new City Hall webpage. Just visit www.citywindsor.ca and search New City Hall. There you will find a lot of related project information, including live camera view of the construction site. Thanks for watching. We will be bringing you another update in the spring of 2018. Thank you.